Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to do revision of chapter 6, division. Now give two division facts for the following multiplication. Now see the question here. It is written 7 multiplied by 5 equal to 35. So how you can give two division facts? That is 35 divided by dash equal to 5. Means in table of 5, when you get 35, you know na table of 5? Yes, what will be the answer? 7, right? And the other division fact is 35 divided by dash equal to 7. Now in table of 7, when you get 35, so your answer will be what? 5. So these are the two division facts for the multiplication. Now let us see second sum. 6 multiplied by 8 equal to 48. Now again here also you have to write two division facts, right? 48 divided by dash equal to 8. Means you have to say table of 8. In table of 8, when you get 48, 8, 6, right? This is your answer. Then next is 48 divided by dash equal to 6. Now in table of 6, when you get 48, yes, answer will be 8. So this is how you can write the answer. Now question number 3. 9 multiplied by 5 equal to 45. That is 9 5s are 45. Now how you are going to write the division facts? Okay. 45 divided by 9 equal to dash. Now in table of 9, when you get 45, yeah, 45 divided by 9 equal to dash. Okay. Now you have to say table of 9. In table of 9, when you get 45, 5s, right? Now 45 divided by 5 equal to dash. How you are going to write? In table of 5, when you get 45, 9s. So this is how you can write two division fact for one multiplication. Okay. Now let us do next question. Divide the following. Now first question, 64 divided by 4. Now in the exam, you don't have to do this multiple division and show it. But division sums can come. There will be answers will be given in options. So you have to find out the answer in your rough book during the exam time. You have to keep one book with you to do the solving. And then you have to take the correct answer. Okay. So you should know how to divide. So 64 divided by 4, how you are going to do? We will take one number first. Okay. Now in table of 4, which number you will take which is less than 6? 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. You cannot take 8. 8 is bigger than 6, right? So which number you will take? 4 ones are 4. Right? You will write 4. Then you will put the sign of minus. You will draw one line. Now 6 minus 4 is how much? 2. Right? Now you will draw one arrow. You will bring 4 down. Now what you see in table of 4, when you get 24. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24. So in table of 4, when you get 24, 6 are. So up you will write 6 and down you will write 24. Okay. Then you will put the sign of minus. Draw one line. Now you will do subtraction. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. 2 minus 2 is what? 0. Very good. Now what is the quotient here? Quotient is 16. Very good. And what is the remainder here? Remainder is 0. So this way you have to do the sum. Now let us do second question. Now again you will take one number only, 8. In table of 2, when you get 8, so you have to say table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. So what you will write up? 4. And down what you will write below 8? 8. Then what you are going to do? Put the sign of minus. Draw one line. Now 8 minus 8. What you will get 8 minus 8? 0. Okay. Now you have to bring second number down. So you will draw one arrow. You will bring 2 down. Now in table of 2, when you get 2, 2 ones are 2. So 1 will come up, 2 will come down. Right. Now you will put the sign of minus. Draw one line. 2 minus 2, what will come? 0. Okay, after doing the sum, now you have to write what is quotient and what is remainder. So you will write quotient is how much? 41. And now you will write remainder. So what is the remainder here? 0. So your answer is quotient is 41 and remainder is 0. This is your answer. Now third question. 41 divided by 8. Now here 4 is small, 8 is big. Isn't it? So you cannot take 8 ones are 8 because 4 is small. So which number you will take in table of 8 which is less than 4? You have to take 0. So what you will do? 8 zeros are 0. Below 4 you will write 0. Okay. 0 is less than 4. Now you will put the sign of minus. Now you will draw one line. Now 4 minus 0. What you will get 4 minus 0? 4. Okay, out of 4 you are not cutting anything. So 4 minus 0 will be 4 only. Now you will bring next number down. You will bring 1 down. Okay, after arrow mark 1 down. Now you got 41. Now which number comes less than 41 in table of 8? You have to say now table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. 8 threes are 24. 8 fours are 32. 8 fives are 40. So 40 is less than 41. Okay. 8 six is 48. You cannot take 48. So you have to take 8 fives are 40. Right. So what you will do? Up you will write 5. And down what you are going to write? 40. Now you will put the sign of minus. Okay. Now you will draw one line. And now you are going to subtract. 1 minus 0. What will come? 1. Very good. Now 4 minus 4. What will come? 0. So you got this answer. Now you have quotient and remainder. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is 5. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 1. So this is your answer, children. Now let us do fourth sum. Okay. Now 80 divided by 9. What is the question? 80 divided by 9. Here you see first number again, it is 8 is small, 9 is big. You cannot do division, right? So what you are going to do, you will take a number which is less than 8 in table of 9. So which number you will take? You can take 9 zeros are 0. 0 is less than 8, right? So up you will write 0. And down below 8 what you are going to write? 0. Now after writing 0 you are going to put the sign of minus. Now you will draw one line. Now you have to do subtraction. 8 minus 0, what will come? 8 only, right? Now you will draw one arrow mark, and what you are going to bring down? 0. Now you got 80. Now which number is less than 80 in table of 9? Now you have to say table of 9. You all know na table of 9? You have learnt, isn't it? 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 six are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81. We cannot take 81 because 81 is bigger than 80. We want to take less than 80. So what we are going to do? We will take 9 eights are 72. Okay. Now after adding 72, we will put the sign of minus. Again, we will draw one line. Now you have to do subtraction. Now can you subtract 0 from 2? 2 from 0? No, na? So you have to borrow from the next number. What you will do? You will cut 8. What will you will write there? 7. Now you can take 1 in units place. So you will cut 0. What you will write there? 10. Now you can do subtraction, right? Now 10 minus 2 is how much? 8. And 7 minus 7 is how much? 0. Very good. So now you cannot do further again division because 8 remainder is small and divisor 9 is big. So here only you are going to stop and you are going to write the quotient and remainder. Okay. So you will write quotient is how much? 8. And remainder is how much? 8. So remainder is also 8 and quotient is also 8. So this way you have to do the sum. Okay children. Now fifth question. 50 divided by 5. Here also you will take one number children. Okay. Now in table of 5, when you get 5, 5 ones are 5. Right. So what you will do? Up you will write 1 and down you will write 5. You will put the sign of minus. Then you will draw one line. And now you will do subtraction. 5 minus 5 is how much? 0. Now you cannot stop the sum here, right? Because another 0 is also there up. So you have to put one arrow mark, bring that 0 down, and then again you have to do divide. Now in table of 5, when you get 0, 5 zeros are 0. So what you will do? Up you will write 0. Down also you will write 0. You will put the sign of minus. Then you will draw one line. Now 0 minus 0 is what? 0. Now here your sum gets over. Okay. Now you can write quotient and remainder. So what is the quotient here? 10. Very good. And what is the remainder? Yes, 0. So this is your answer children. Now next question. Here also 90 divided by 9. Here also you can see in table of 9 when you get 9, 9 ones are 9. So what you will do? Up you will write 1. Down you will write 9. You will put the sign of minus. Draw one line. 9 minus 9, 0. Now you have to bring next 0 down. So you will put one arrow mark. Bring that 0 down. Now in table of 9 when you get 0, 9 zeros are 0. So what you will do? Up you will write 0 and down you will write 0. Put the sign of minus. Draw one line. Now 0 minus 0, 0. So here your sum gets over. Now what is the quotient here? You have to write quotient and remainder. Quotient is 10. Very good. And what is the remainder? 0. Okay. So this way your sum gets over. This is how you have to do it. Okay. With this we have finished the revision of this chapter. Thank you children.